Hello everybody, welcome to Isabella and AJ, and today I am going to show you how to make this paper printed cab car. So I'm just gonna get started on this right now, and then I'll put voiceover and explain the purpose of this video, and also let you know what I do. So first we're gonna start by cutting out the floor, and then try to cut the body out. Make sure you cut along the lines and not away from them. If you cut away from the lines or into the body, there is a possible chance you will ruin it. The parts are gonna go here, set those aside, and also you're gonna wanna get yourself some cardstock paper. So if you wanna do cardstock paper, that's optional, it's fine. See, look. It should look something like this. If you mess it up, you're gonna have to try again. Anyways, let's continue. Okay guys, so this is what it should look like. If you, like I said, if you cut any part out, that means you're gonna have to start over. If you cut away from the lines, pause the video and take a look at this. See, look, that is what you need. Anyways, and the next thing I'm gonna do is cut out both the front and the back. I'm gonna customize the horn a bit, so yeah. So let's get this going. So next you're going to want to cut out the entire front and back. Just make sure you do it the way I do. I'm also gluing the gray parts to the front and back. Okay viewers, this is what it should look like. Just like I said, these are glued. See? Just make sure you can have them glued. Now, we're gonna transport them to this cardstock right here. Okay, so this is what it should look like, except for that part right there, because this is a customized horn. It is optional, so the cardstock is really optional. If you have a really big sized one of those, you can glue those tabs for to the part. So I'm just gonna do it like that. It's still a good train. I will see you guys in part 2, how to construct it.